If you want to change icon size on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open the settings. Over here in settings, we're going to proceed to the home screen settings. And then in here, we have app size on home and app screens slider. So here we can move left and right in order to adjust the size of app icons. However, the change is not really that significant and it might be not satisfying enough. So in addition to that, we can use a couple of options. In addition to that, of course, so that you can make icons bigger or smaller. For example, if we go to the home screen grid, of course, you can use, for example, 5x6 in order to make icons slightly smaller. Of course, they have to be smaller in order to fit one more app in a single row. Besides that, we can also change the display size or screen zoom. So in here, if we go to display settings, and then we have the screen zoom option, and in here we can change the size of everything, not only the app icons on the home screen and stuff, but this changes the size of everything that we have on the screen, every element of the interface. So of course, while it doesn't change just app icons, it changes more, but still it can be used to adjust the size of app icons. Actually, there's one more thing. In display settings, we should be able to find the easy mode, which also changes the size of lots of stuff, of lots of UI elements, but also it increases the size of on-screen items. So this includes app icons. So you can use that if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.